Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're exploring the best Unitron hearing aid accessory that you can find on the market, the JunYiLoTo wax guard filters for hearing aids. If you use a Unitron hearing aid, or even some models from Phonak, Resound, or Widex, this product promises to keep your device protected and performing at its best. Hearing aids are delicate devices that require regular maintenance to ensure clear sound quality and long-lasting performance. One common issue that users face is earwax buildup, which can block the sound output and damage internal components. That's where wax guard filters come in. The JunYiLoTo wax guard filters act as a barrier, trapping dirt, dust, and earwax before they can enter the dome or ear mold of your hearing aid. This simple yet essential accessory helps maintain full functionality, preventing costly repairs and extending the life of your device. These filters are designed to be widely compatible. They fit not only Unitron hearing aids but also Phonak, Widex, Resound, and Beltone devices, particularly for models like CIC, ITC, ITE, and RIC. It's important to note, however, that they do not fit hearing aids from Signia or Starkey. The filters come in a set of 32 pieces, arranged in 4 packs, giving you enough replacements for regular use over months or even longer. They are crafted from high-quality rubber, ensuring durability while maintaining ease of use. Speaking of ease of use, the JunYiLoTo filters feature a clever design that makes replacement quick and straightforward. Each filter is mounted on a white stick, making it easy to insert the new filter and remove the old one without hassle. Regular replacement of these wax guards is highly recommended to prevent wax buildup that can degrade your hearing aid's performance. If you notice a decrease in sound clarity or a blocked ear mold, it might be time to change the filter. For those who travel or are frequently on the go, these filters are conveniently small and lightweight. Their compact size makes them easy to carry in your hearing aid case or pocket, ensuring you're always prepared to keep your hearing aids clean and functional wherever you are. In terms of packaging, the product comes with clear instructions to guide you through the replacement process. You start by inserting the end without the filter into the hearing aid to remove the old guard, then use the end with the new filter to place it in the device. This step-by-step approach makes it accessible for users of all experience levels. When it comes to protecting your hearing aid investment, the JunYiLoTo wax guard filters are a smart choice. Regular maintenance with quality filters like these not only preserves sound quality but also helps your hearing aids last longer, saving you time and money in the long run. To sum up, if you own a Unitron hearing aid or compatible models from other leading brands, the JunYiLoTo wax guard filters provide an effective, durable, and easy-to-use solution for earwax protection. Their high compatibility, sturdy build, and practical packaging make them the best hearing aid accessory to keep your devices in top shape. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest and thorough reviews. See you in the next video.